Making money is every man's desire. What if I told you that you can make money using Instagram just by using it, just doing some additional activities that are very small? Hey guys, this is Rahul from The Swazik. In this video, we'll see how to make money from Instagram app just by using it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Instagram is growing so quickly like anything. Now what you can do, what you can make use of this growing popularity is that you can mint proper money using this. Now if you ask me how to make money from Instagram, now here are the following tricks. First I'll be telling the ways to make money and then I'll be telling how to accomplish those ways. So starting off with the first one, it's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically when you promote a product and get paid per sale. With Instagram, you post attractive images highlighting their products and drive sales through your affiliate URL. There are quite a few companies you can work with here. Now here are some links given in the description down below, so you can just check it out under the name affiliate marketing. So that is ShareSell, Ebates and Stylinity. So all these companies, what you need to do is you want to sign up with the affiliate program, get approved and then start promoting what they tell. In some programs, it is easier to get approved if you have a blog or website. So that's the advantage. You can put your affiliate URL on your caption or in your bio. Instagram doesn't support URL in the caption, so you can put it in your bio. You can either use this bit.ly.com to shorten your or customize your affiliate link. Actually, this type of marketing is particularly popular with clothing on Instagram. As you can see, post these days with OOTD. If you're wondering what's OOTD, it's outfit of the day. So for those involved in travel industries, you could try to set up and use affiliate marketing when taking part in reviews for hotels and venues. Simply direct followers to book through your link. It is also great for beauty bloggers as you can invite people to shop the look. So these methods are much more effective than the direct sales type pitch. So now the second thing that you can do is create sponsored posts. Instagram users with engaged following can earn extra money by creating original sponsored content for brands. The idea is to show off brands that you can personally get behind and show your followers how the brand fits into your lifestyle. Now here are some websites again under the name. Tap Influence is a great tool for Instagram creators who are looking for opportunities for sponsored content. You create a profile that describes you and the nature of your content, and brands who are interested in working with you will invite you to programs once you are enrolled in this website, Tap Influence. Another one thing is iFluence. It sounds like a disease, but it's a website. It's another easy tool as you can browse matching available campaigns created by variety of brands and directly promote those you prefer. Now the third method is very interesting because I have many friends who like photography, so they have a photography page separately. One thing they can do obviously is sell their photos. If you are a professional photographer, Instagram is a great way to advertise and sell your shots to either individuals or agencies. Just one thing you need to remember is when you take a picture and post it to Instagram, you need to add a watermark of your brand or your just name. As always, make sure that you have an active presence so that the right type of accounts are following you. Use appropriate hashtags to pull people towards your shots and get a conversation going on with the influential photography agencies. Now there are some websites that I want to link down below like 2020 and Community Fope. So you can just check it out and know their details in the description down below. Now another thing, that is the fourth type you can do, is promote your own business, products or services. Like if you run a business, then Instagram needs to hold an integral place in your marketing matrix. If you are a YouTuber like me, you can do things like behind the scenes BTS, which is very famous nowadays. Or even if you have a jewelry shop or whatever, that time also you can just show the uh, jewelry pieces when they're worn, or you can also post your customer photos. Like you can ask them to follow the hashtag or tag you when they post a picture of theirs with the product that you sell. And you can download this app called Repost for Instagram, and you can post it in your account of the customer's pic. You can also market your services through Instagram with snazzy infographics and exclusive offers. Using Instagram to feature special offers is also a great tool to up your follower count, as it's a bonus they won't find anywhere else. The brilliant thing about using Instagram to promote your business is you can get a mega creative with it. Think outside of the box and really use it to your full advantage. You're sure to see the flying sales. Now the fifth thing you can do is sell your Instagram account. Add enough of Instagram, ready to move on? Well, you'll be happy to know that all your hard work wasn't gone waste. You can actually sell your Instagram if you can no longer manage it. There are a few sites which will buy your which will buy your Instagram pages. Those are like FameSwap or Viral accounts. So you can just check it out. The links are also given in the description down below under the name Sell Your Instagram Account. So yeah, check it out. Now, in order to accomplish all these things or any one of these things, these are the following steps that you have to take. Now, the main thing for everything is you need to have good amount of followers in your Instagram account. One thing is follow out your bio with all the right information. This includes your contact information, when you post about, or where you are from. Add in a few keywords and even a couple of hashtags to ensure you're easily findable by the right kind of followers. So hashtags really work a lot in Instagram. Post regularly. Actually, if you work continuously for 90 days, then I'm sure you'll be able to get 100% very good amount of followers in your account. To grow numbers, you want to be posting several images every day. You have to post several images on scheduled time, and this is a warning, don't post all the pictures at once. So it will be waste, completely waste. Make sure your images are of best quality with attractive effects. There is no point posting a weak image, so really take your time. Make sure you are producing ones of the best quality pictures using a DSLR, or you can also take using smartphone and edit it properly. This editing video is coming soon, so stay tuned for that and subscribe to the Swazik to know more information. Now another thing is, as I've told, hashtags play a lot of role in Instagram, so make sure you use all the relevant hashtags in your bio, post, stories and everything. Next thing is engage with your followers. You cannot expect all the interaction to come directly to you. Make time every single day to engage with your followers or anyone involved in the industry by commenting on or liking their images. If you communicate with authentic content, people will be drawn to check out your account and hopefully join your loyal rank of followers. So these are the main tricks that you have to follow. So that was detailed information about the Instagram business. If you want me to make more videos like this, then please do comment down below and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the bell icon. What are you waiting for? Get ready. Learn more about Instagram and start up with your business. Good luck. So that was pretty much everything about money making on Instagram. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care, guys.